Everyone, my name is C.H. Devi. I am working as chemistry lecturer in Dr. Lankapalli Bulai College in Visakhapatnam. Today we will discuss nucleophilic addition reactions in carbonyl compound. You know that what is carbonyl compound? The functional group of carbonyl compound is R, C double bond O, R dash. Carbonyl compound is nothing but the combination of aldehydes and ketones. Now, aldehyde functional group is R, C double bond O, H, and ketone functional group is R, C double bond O, R dash, where R is hydrogen or any alkyl or aryl group. Let us see that the functional group of carbonyl group is R, C double bond O, R dash. Now these are in planar form. The polarization of this functional group: carbon having partially positive charge, oxygen having partially negative charge, because oxygen having more electronegativity atom when compared than carbon. Now the hybridization of this carbon is sp2 and the structure is planar structure. Now this functional group is treated with any nucleophile. That nucleophile is directly adding at partially positive charge carbon atom, immediately double bond shifted to oxygen time to form oxyanium ion. This functional group is in planar form. The nucleophile is adding at carbon. Immediately these three bonds turns to downside. That planar structure is turns to tetrahedral form. The compound is R, C, nucleophile, and R dash and O minus. Now the hybridization of carbon is sp3 hybridization and structure is tetrahedral. In our syllabus, number of nucleophilic addition reactions are there. Nucleophilic addition reaction. In first one, addition of hydrogen cyanide. The name of HCN is hydrogen cyanide. In general, hydrogen cyanide is acting as weak acid. Now the hydrogen cyanide is treated with any nucleophile like OH minus to form conjugated base like CN minus, and by the product is water molecule. The conjugated base is CN minus. This conjugated base is acting as strong base. Now this HCN is treated with any carbonyl compounds. Now carbonyl compound is treated with HCN to form cyanohydrin. The product is cyanohydrin. In equation form, you take acetaldehyde. Now acetaldehyde is treated with HCN. Now HCN gives cyanide nucleophile. Now the cyanide nucleophile is directly adding at partially positive charge carbon atom, immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side. The product is CH3, C, O minus and Cn. The new bond is Cn bond and hydrogen. Oxyanium ion is formed. This oxyanium ion is treated with any electrophile like H plus. This oxyanium ion is abstracting this H plus to form OH. CH3, C, OH and Cn and H. The product name is cyanohydrin. We will take the reactant is acetaldehyde. The product is acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin. Now you take the ketone form. You take acetone. Now acetone is treated with HCN. The HCN gives Cn minus nucleophile. The Cn minus nucleophile is directly adding a partially positive carbon atom, immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side to form oxyanium ion. C, O minus and cyanide bond is new bond is formed and also CH. Now this oxyanium ion is treated with electrophile like H plus. This O minus is subtracting that H plus to convert OH to form cyanohydrin. That cyanohydrin name is depending on the reactant. That reactant is acetone. The name is acetone cyanohydrin. hydrogen. Okay. The second nucleophilic addition reaction is addition of sodium hydrogen sulfide. What is this name? Sodium hydrogen sulfide. Another name of this compound is sodium bisulfide. Now, carbonyl compound is treated with sodium hydrogen sulfide to form carbonyl bisulfide. Now you take acetaldehyde. Now acetaldehyde is treated with sodium hydrogen sulfide. The mechanical formation of sodium hydrogen sulfide is Na plus O minus S double bond O OH. In this one, this SOOH sulfate ion is acting as nucleophile. That nucleophile is directly attacking at carbon, immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side to form CH3 oxonium ion. That means CH3 CO minus and new bond is formed where carbon and oxygen. OS double bond OH. Now this oxonium ion is partially bonding with sodium plus. In further step, hydrogen transformation is involving in. That means proton transformation. Now this oxonium ion is abstracting this hydrogen. Immediately this bond shifted to oxygen side. Now you have this oxygen having negative charge. This negative charge is partially bonded with Na plus. That means O minus is unstable when compared then sulfate ions. The product is CH3 COH and again H and O S double bond O minus and Na plus. Now that product name is depending on the reactant. Now your reactant is acetaldehyde. Now the product is acetaldehyde bisulfite. Now you take another functional group ketone. You take acetone. Now acetone is treated with sodium bisulfite. The product is acetone bisulfite. Another nucleophilic addition reaction is reaction with Grignard reagent. The reagent is RMGX. This is one of the organometallic halide formation. Now Grignard reagent gives R minus carbonyl ion. That carbonyl ion is acting as nucleophile. Now this Grignard reagent is treated with carbonyl compound to form primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. This alcohol is depending on the reactant. Now in first one you take formaldehyde. Now what is this name? Formaldehyde. Now this formaldehyde is treated with Grignard reagent. That Grignard reagent gives R minus nucleophile. This R minus nucleophile is directly adding at partially positive charge carbon atom, immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side to form oxonium ion HCO minus and new CC bond is formed at C and R and again H. This oxonium ion is treated with electrophile H plus to form HCOH and H. Now alcohol is formed. Now this alcohol is primary alcohol. And again acetaldehyde is treated with acetaldehyde. Now this acetaldehyde is treated with Grignard reagent. Again Grignard reagent gives R minus nucleophile carbanium ion. Now this nucleophile is directly attacking it, adding it, partially positive charge carbon atom, immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side. You observe oxanium ion. Now this oxanium ion is treated with electrophile like H plus. Now this O minus is abstracting this H plus to form OH. The product is CH3COH and again R and H. Now this alcohol is secondary alcohols. And to prepare tertiary alcohol to treat it with acetone. The reactant is acetone. Now again acetone is treated with Grignard reagents RMGX. Now RMGX gives carbanium ion like R minus. Now carbanium ion is acting as nucleophile. This nucleophile is directly adding a partially positive charge carbon atom. Immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side. Again you observe oxanium ion. Again this oxanium ion is treated with H plus nucleophile. Now O minus is abstracting this H plus to convert alcohol formation. This alcohol name is tertiary alcohols. In reaction with Grignard reagent to prepare primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols to treat it with formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and acetone. Another nucleophilic addition reaction, that one fourth nucleophilic addition reaction is